We will see SAP Abap introduction. I will give one example too, so watch the video fully and thank you for my new subscribers. Continue to watch and subscribe my channel. I upload more videos too. The Abap programming language. The Abap programming language is full form is Advanced Business Application Program. With the Abap programming language, business application programs in an SAP environment can be created. The components of an ABAP program can be organized according to their task in the layers of the three-tier is client-server architecture, which has the presentation, the application, and the database layers. ABAP is the 4G language. Moreover, it is typed, it enabled multi-language applications and SQL access. It has been enhanced as an object-oriented language and it is a platform independent. Okay. Now we will see one small example to your first ABAP program. The SC30 transaction opened the ABAP editor. You can also open it if you navigate in the SAP menu, Tools, ABAP Workbench, Development, and ABAP Editor. Okay. Now your program name start with Z. Okay. Z and Y letters. Note that every program name should start with the Z or the Y letters. Z is more common. Choose the source code from the sub objects and click the creation button. In the next window, you should give title of the program, which will be title of the window of the program. And you should choose the type of your program, choose the executable program. The other fields are optional, but now choose the test program in the status field. Under the basis in the application field, then click on the save button, click on the local object button in the next window, and in the next window you can write the code. Okay, now we will see on example. This is our SAP screen. Now we will create one program, example program. My first Abap program. Click on create button. You can give the title the same name. I am copy this. I can give the same name for the title. These are the optional, these are optional. So now we will give executable program, authorization group, application, local database name, and a selection screen. These are the optional. So save, and you can choose the local object. Now we can create an example. Write statement. Okay. Hello. This is check button. This is activate button. This is execute button. Now I will check. No errors. I am activate this. Now I am execute. Yes, this is the output we can get. Okay. In next session we will see detailed. Thank you friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.